Wow, look at what I have here. The new 2024 Tacoma just arrived. Look at how cool is this now with these front lights and parking sensors. This one is an SR5. Look at these design lines. I love it. So cool. Really cool. First 2024 that I have here. There's so many things that I want to show you. Let's start for this super nice design. Lumbar support. This one is an SR5. So it's a different presentation. Finally, Apple CarPlay Android Auto wireless. We don't need cables anymore. This one is a 4x2 right now. Look at how nice, slick it is. This one has a dash camera. Look at my favorite. This is my favorite feature right here. Yes. I love it. I love it already. All the storage space under the back seat. Look at that. I love the design. And also it's super light. Really light. To get it down up. This baby here is the new 2024 Tacoma in underground, a new color. It's available. Call me. This is Jennifer, 864-559-0092. Amigos, tenemos la nueva 2024 Tacoma. Vengan, aprovechen, manejenla, aprendan. Está muy nice. Muy nice.